Hello everyone, I am Beyza Sayracı. Welcome to my introduction to algorithm project. This page is the home page of my interface. When you click this button, you go to the school page. And click this button, go to the YouTube channel of our department. When you click on the mail button, you can send me your feedback from the page that opens. Write someone, write something, and write message, click send. You can find information about me and my interface on the information page. When you click on LinkedIn button, you go to my LinkedIn page. Now let's examine my sort algorithm page. Here I have animation sorting algorithm. 12 different sorting algorithms can be used to sort arrays. You can create random arrays in 5 different ways. Firstly, random array buttons. The upper bound, lower bound, and array size you specify are created according to you. For example, secondly, create array button. You are entering an array manually. For example, sorry. Let's try again. Yes. And thirdly, audio array. But for example, 11, 0. Sorry. 0. I'm so sorry. 16. 55. And fourthly, in addition, we can the desired array from Excel file, CSV file, or TXT file. It's not does change. And we can say the arrays we get to CSV, TXT, and Excel file. Final default array button, then clicked. You click I don't want to see same numbers checkbox. Your array is unique array. For example, and seed array checkbox is clicked. After that, the array we create is registered in this program. If we enter the same values on another computer, our resulting array will be exactly the same as the array format here. Let's run bar animation. Firstly, quick sort. And this speed knob, you can set the animation speed. You hear an animation sound at the back. This button stop, this button continue, this button is skip. Let's repeat run. This clear button clears the sort algorithm page. And let's back to home page. Let's examine my time comparison page. This page has time comparison of sorting algorithms. Time graphs. of arrays with 100 to 1000 elements are drawn according algorithms. Compare all methods. Buttons draw the time of all sorting algorithms accordingly. Let's try 100 elements, 300 elements, 500 elements, and 2000 elements draw according to the elements. And comparing chosen methods, buttons draws the ranking algorithms we choose. Let's try. Clear button clears my time comparison page. Let's go back to home page. Let's examine my binary search page. Binary search shows us the index of the number we are looking for. You can create random arrays in 4 different ways. This random array button, default array button, create array button, and excel button. Random array button, the upper bound, lower bound, and array size you specify are created according to you. Create array button, you are entering an array manually. Excel button, you can import the array in the Excel file. The click default array button. Here you see different arrays. These arrays contain only R of each number. So all arrays are unique. Then click sorted array button. Your random array is sorted this by animation. Enter the number you want to see. Then click search number index button. If the number is not in the array, you will get a warning. Then enter the number. Click the search number index button. It is that why it is point different color in the bar animation and this result index. Also here we can see our unsorted array and sorted array. Then clear button clears the binary search page. Let's go back to the home page. Let's examine my Fibonacci series page. The Fibonacci series is that progress the previous two numbers. Let's enter the index we want to see. Then click calculate button. And different index. This answers and this all series and this bar series. When you click on the golden ratio button, you can see the golden ratio plot. The clear button clears the Fibonacci page. This animation is the golden ratio animation. Let's go back to the home page. Let's examine my matrix operation page. On this page you can do 3 different matrix operations: matrix multiplication, subtraction, and addition. You can create matrix in 2 different ways: create array button and enter matrix by hand button. Firstly, enter the number of rows and columns for your matrix to be created. Then click multiplication buttons. You see a warning message because the number of columns in our first matrix is not equal to the number of rows in our second matrix. And this result matrix. Then clean button clears the matrix page. Let's enter the number of rows and columns again. And click Enter Matrix by Hand button. Let's create the matrix we want. Now let's do matrix multiplication operation. This resulting matrix. If you want, you can save the resulting matrix as CSV file. Click the button. Let's go back to the home page. And finally, let's examine our randomized select page. Randomized select shows us the number of the index we are looking for. You can create random arrays in 4 different ways. Firstly, random array buttons, the upper band and the lower band and array size. You specify are created according to you. And create array button. You are entering an array manually. For example, an Excel button. You can import the array in the Excel file. Then click Default Array. Here you see different arrays. You click I don't want to see same numbers come back. Your array is unique. For example, then click Sorted Array button. Your random array is sorted. This bar animation. Enter the index you want to see. Then click smallest button. In this way, you will see the index, smallest number we are looking for. In addition, the number in this index in the bar animation is colored blue. If the index you are looking for does not exist, you will see a warning. Also, here we can see your unsorted array and sorted array. The clear button clears the randomized select page. Let's go back to home page. Thank you for listening to me. You can find my information on the information page. For your feedback, see you.